ثلاث إخوة ورا براند التياب الأمينز، سالي، حسن وأحمد.
سالي، أنت العقل الوحيد ورا كل التصاميم of Elements.
هي واحدة من أكثر الناس تأثيراً، ولكن يعني بصراحة حسن كمان في الديزاينينج كان له تأثير كبير جدا، بس الكرياتيف دايركشن overall كان عن طريق سالي.
Sally was definitely the mastermind behind the general creative direction من ناحية branding.
Okay.
She has a branding background, so that fit like a hand in glove. It was very easy.
And to be honest, we always ask each other's opinions on everything. To be honest, it took us 5 years to launch our brand, and it's because of this very reason. So we were always sourcing the best fabric, the best partners, the best tailors.
حسن بياخد وقت أكتر من منى بس يحضر حاله لظهره. False. He is without question
Absolutely
the latest person in the room.
Okay, I know. Okay.
So, okay.
To be honest, I've lived with him for so long. I always wonder what takes these guys so long to get ready.
This statement should be on both actually pages.
I do my hair, I do my makeup, I get ready, and these guys are still getting ready.
أحمد، أنت أكتر واحد خايف تعمل براند.
The concept of الخوف والstress in general does not exist in Ahmed's world. He is the most relaxed, most chilled out person I have ever met.
You're not gonna believe, like, this building could be burning down,
Yeah.
and he will be scrolling on Instagram.
سالي كتير بتكذب كرمال تنقذ الشركة.
ما في شيء ينقذ أصلاً من الأساس، فما في حياتي ما سمعت سالي بتكذب على أي موضوع بيتطرق للشركة أصلاً من الأساس.
What's your next statement?
أحمد ما عنده الخبرة الكافية بعالم الفاشن.
No, false. I think there's nothing more that I have to give from fashion experience or Sally than he does.
I have to say, Ahmed was always extremely fashionable from a very, very young age. He would constantly criticize your dress sense. Do you remember?
منى ما بتعرف تهديك تياب.
I'm vibing, just vibing.
I don't think Muna's ever gifted you clothes.
Maybe she'll gift you a
Has she?
perfume.
Oh, God. Okay.
No?
I remember that very first birthday we celebrated when we were dating.
Yeah.
She took me to like the best suite in the Four Seasons. She got me like an Hermes Kelly pouch. She got a giant Coke bottle in the room. Yeah,
That's
like
a
for
full
me to like
experience, you know?
get in, and she did like massage. We went to the spa. We went to. I was
Hassan,
like,
I want
this
Mona in
was
my
the
life.
first, and this was the first birthday I had when we were just dating.
سالي ما حبت أبداً تياب حسن بدبي بلينج.
I'm Mona Gatan. I'm a co-founder of Huda Beauty, which is our beauty empire.
إذا ما حبت, she will WhatsApp me and tell me, look
made
at
him
what
change
she
it,
will,
يعني.
She will WhatsApp me and tell me, look at what Hassan's wearing. And then she'll tell him. We've always been close. نحنا أسرة in general. We're extremely close. Even my parents.
Okay.
And we all know each other very well.
Okay, so if you're on the show, would you as well go that extreme with your fashion?
I'm a very minimalistic person in general, especially when it comes to my fashion.
Yeah.
Everything that I do, I love just to be not boring, but just minimal.
I am more on the conservative side. I think Hassan is the one that's most likely to take risks when it comes to dressing.
Fashion risks?
Fashion risks. أحمد ما كان راضي على الكولكشن الوايت.
And he's wearing white actually.
Yeah, no, obviously not. You know, our fashion sense, بنحب neutral colors.
Yeah.
So we like white, black, gray, tan, off-white.
I see you guys as well, you love this monochromatic look. You
Yeah,
don't,
you know, recently.
even if it's color blocking, I believe you would do it very like the colors يكونوا كتير قراب لبعض.
Yeah. I have to say I was really inspired by the latest Pharrell Williams collection. You know, we've always worn extremely neutral colors, but this latest collection, I have to say, was able to do something that was quite impossible, which is make me look at colors.
طيب معقول مثلا the next collection الأمينز هلا the next one that you guys will launch هيك نشوف شيء بعيد عن هدول the earth colors, nude, black, white.
Never say never. The thing about style and fashion and taste, it doesn't change, but it evolves over time.
منى كتير ساعدتك لتنشر هالبراند أسرع؟
Mona is the most supportive person I had ever met. And we were friends for 20 years. And she is by far the most helpful, the most loyal friend.
She's an incredible wife.
Yeah.
I'm a lucky man. If I was to describe what coming home to Mona every day is like, picture going home to a cloud in a heart shape.
Sally طاير عقلة بالfast fashion.
خبرني أحمد.
ابدا.
Sally would want to leave الكوكب
Oh my God.
اللي فيه fast fashion and go elsewhere. She's got crazy attention to
One-way ticket.
detail.
Out.
She bought
oh
a
no,
bag.
not
Yeah,
the bag.
she bought a
Oh
bag.
my goodness, thank you.
And
This
she
is
returned the bag. She returned the bag 3 times.
How
And
come
it's because-
3 times?
3 times because every single time she buys the bag, there's a thread that's missing. There's
I didn't
something that
like
she doesn't
the
like.
piece.
And then
I
she'd
didn't
literally
like the
look at it,
piece.
she'd pick up her phone and she'd zoom on it.
and every time she gets it she's like no.
Yeah.
There's a mark. حسن ما بيحب ستايل منى.
بس أنا بصراحة ما بتذكر أي instance.
كون ولا مرة هيك قال لك
Yeah, to be honest, Mona's style suits her. I cannot imagine her like dressed as minimally as Hassan dresses.
Yeah.
And I don't doubt that Hassan just looks at her and finds her just cute and adorable just the way that she is.
So in the beginning, obviously, you know, her style is not my style. It's complete opposite. Later on, I've come to realize and appreciate that this is like her clothing is a reflection of who she is.
إذا بدكم تختاروا كل واحد حدا يعطيني اسم.
Okay.
To pick one brand ambassador for El Amins. Starting with you, who would you pick?
I love Rosie Huntington. She is so elegant and classy. If there's anyone even that I would look up to, it would be her.
What about you, Ahmed?
Maybe Pharrell Williams. I like his style very much.
For men, we have far less options. In terms of men, I would say Lewis Hamilton.
بعد سؤال بدي اياكم كلكم تجاوبون عليه. اغلى قطعة اشتريتيها سالي. بدي القطعة وبدي السعر.
Price, I don't remember, but it was probably an AP watch.
أحمد
Probably a watch.
كمان
Also a watch.
كمان والله حبيت
I
كمان عن
knew the answer was going to be
That's
watch.
the investment
The one
in
I'm
the
wearing.
family.
Yeah.
The one I'm wearing.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank
much.
you. It was a
Our
pleasure.
pleasure.
That was fun.